from Phoenix. We came out to check out some of the job sites that the Organic Gardener is doing. It's a company that does landscaping and hardscaping in the Big Apple. So a little bit different than from what we do in Phoenix, but we want to see what the vibes are and maybe pick up a few things that we can bring back to Phoenix with us. Off to NYC.
When it's 4 in the morning, everything's delicious. Just landed in LaGuardia. Shane doesn't want to ride the subway.
Speaking of,
Right. Brooklyn Banks, baby. That's the skate park, the Brooklyn Banks. It was shut down for a while. It's open now. We're gonna hit it. Not tonight, but we're definitely gonna hit it.
tonight. Maybe tonight, and hell yes. Yeah, we might have to.
So Tim did what we're doing 20 years ago, but he did it in New York. He caught the itch for the construction. He leaned like us, very design focused, and then he just ran with it. You know, there's a lot of guys that run a lot of big companies, but the OG runs it a way geared towards design, focused on being unique and independent. Like other guys do big numbers. They do the coolest stuff, which is like, and it's, yeah, boutique, and I feel like that's what we're trying to do. Like, not for everybody.
We're at Broad Nosh Bagels. Well, we're at my sister's apartment, and she claimed that her hot water didn't work. I didn't know this, so I got up in the middle of the night. Her hot water is the only thing that worked. No cold water in the kitchen. So I got up for a nice cold glass of water in the middle of the night. I filled my cup. I took a massive drink of it, and it was boiling hot. And I choked on it in the kitchen. And then this morning, Trace got in there and literally loosened up the cold water valve.
Yeah, turns out the angle stop at the bottom, the cold was just shut off. So I just opened it up, and then the cold water, they got cold water.
All of a sudden, they got cold water and
14th Street, Chelsea. So you're probably wondering, why are Phoenix general contractors here in New York City? What could we possibly gain from this? Well, because it's one of the oldest constructed cities in the country, it has deep, deep roots of historic design elements and architecture that we want to try to pick up and bring a little bit of that back to the West Coast. So we're here at the first job site, and we're going to check out what the OG's doing. Brother, where we at? What hood we in?
Yeah, Greenwich, Greenwich.
That's right. We're in Greenwich. Let's check it out.
You see me getting money, that's it. Stay out the way, get money.
That's right.
What you gotta do.
That's right.
All you can do, just keep on going. Don't stop. Keep your head up at all times, man.
That's right. Eyes straight ahead. Let's go. Appreciate you, bro. Hey. Hey.
Gay guy.
Good to see you.
That camera can't go in. We're doing that terrace.
this one or any of them.
Today, no. Tomorrow, yes, because they're finished. If you can get me on camera saying that, I love you.
Me too.
Thank you. I can only take 2 of you in there. All right. Who's got the celeb eye? Because this is where they're at. They're like crawling.
I don't know. You just put it on. Punching bag wall.
To sit in the car. They're taking that down and using the foundation of that.
So the story is the Chris French Cleaners building right here. They bought and are tearing down and building a 12-story, just basically condo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. This one is going pretty luxury. Like there's a parking garage below.
Yeah.
I'll show you the renderings. That's what we came up with.
Oh, yeah, that's
Pretty sick. Yeah. He's going all in.
Yeah, so it's like even the landscape, like you think it's just in the terrace, but it's so integrated
Structural.
with the entire.
I have solely hired people in positions that are better than me at that position. I don't do bookkeeping. I have no interest in ever doing bookkeeping. I do like writing contracts. I like the number crunching and like the game of poker.
Yeah.
I already marked it up to 400 because I knew you were gonna say it's 350. So
Yeah.
it's all like a power trip. I always hired students, like architecture students from all the schools around. You could pick them up for $15 an hour, and I would draw shit out on paper. We'd go back and forth 5 times until I had like a legit presentation. Students are the best because they're constantly up to par with the new software.
Who's your most important relationship? Is it designer? Is it the architect? If we're going to lock down the best guy, what area is he in?
When a contractor reaches out to this, it's something very tangible. Like they're already in.
It's been built in the
It's
head.
happening.
It's all, yeah.
It's happening. It's
Yeah.
in motion, and I'm like one of the last players. Time is money.
Yeah. Need it tomorrow.
Architects bill per hour. It's different.
Yeah. I think that's going to be our edge is like speed.
I've never taken a day off in 22 years
Yeah.
because I'm always thinking about something that would work out. Like it's an obsession.
We're in Rockaway. It's freezing cold. It's the beach. We'll get some more clips of that. There's a stone sample. It's the beach house. Show you around.
This is sweet.
Oh, this is a sick board. Roosevelt, this shaper. Down in Jacksonville, Florida. Old head. He's like 65 years old. Shapes longboards.
Rockaway Beach at Uncle Timo's and got a delicious bagel. And now we're on the ferry headed to Brooklyn. We're gonna hop on the mopeds, ride around the city, and check out some of his projects. So it's gonna be fun.
Boardwalk
Yeah,
bagel
that's what we're
and
taking everything
delicatessen.
through.
Boardwalk bagels, the everything bagel, and the freaking scallion. This scallion. Is that what it was? Cream cheese. Delicious.
Got a small head now.
Fire it up, fly man. Uh-oh. Woo!
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call it quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out.
So we always kind of approach our projects with, is it helping the earth? Is it gonna make us rich? Is it gonna make us famous? I don't know if this one, this is probably helping nature more than anything with the 5,000 plants we brought to the city.
Yeah.
The other unique thing about this property is these are all native plants.
Oh.
So the trees, like these trees, you'll see all over New York City.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm the pilot in the cockpit, nose diving in the house and woo. Watch out, get ahead, watch out, get ahead, watch out, get ahead.
This is job site number 2. This is a $180 million building. So we're going to check out the landscaping on the roof.
Anyway, welcome to the second floor of the Hanover House. I came here today with my bodyguards visiting from Phoenix, Arizona, rolling through for a tour. Explanation here, the whole concept was to kind of create outdoor dining areas. How do you make one person feel comfortable? And then how do you make 50 people feel comfortable? Everything you see for this project is custom made for this project. The home run here is this company called Trueform. They're notorious for making faux materials, but it's all out of concrete. This is all shade plants with tons and tons of blooming rhododendrons, Japanese painted ferns, liriope, so all heavy shade tolerant plants. And we come over here, we call this the picnic zone. You're cooking, you're hanging. These are extremist tables from Ernest. This edging kind of curves up, and then this is all foam mounted, kind of like a skate park. And then I wanted it to feel like you were camping. So we did this, and there's gonna be a large projector screen mounted to that comes down. Another mound here. So this is Pachysandra, and the idea is just to give the place topography.
You gotta pray for a victory.
And this is the rooftop.
This is Timothy from the OG. Welcome to my crib.
I've been tested so much, all these wrestlers nice, all these different situations that I've been through.
Welcome to Brooklyn, welcome to Manhattan. We're over here in the sunbathing lounge. We're facing southwest, full sun all day long. Take in the views. So you have a wonderful sunset here over New Jersey, Staten Island, views of the Liberty, Verrazano Bridge, and all of Brooklyn below. This is the adult lounge, so you come up here, enjoy laying out with your wife, your girlfriend, your friends. You have a glass of rosé, you read your New Yorker magazine, and you take in the city views. This was kind of hard to do. This was a bit of a, these shouldn't have been there. There was tons of discussion, do we put these here and have plants there and just have a centered walkway, or do they move forward? And everybody voted. If you are someone, a female, male, come out here and you did want to lay out, because they do sunbathe up on these roofs, you didn't want to feel uncomfortable with people walking in front of you. Yeah. So they thought people would feel a little more comfortable in front of the pedestrian pathway. Dudes, what's even crazier, when we started, that building wasn't there and that wasn't there, so you could see all of Manhattan.
This is Serenade, been rapping 10 years, boy this ain't a phase. I paid dues, paid rent, and I stayed the same. I had teardrops running down my face. I've been through a lot, I had real pain, but thank God, cause we really on a better days. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things.
Time.
You guys are slamming.
Appreciate it, Mom.
All right, bros. I'm $100 million. What's he say? I'm $1 million man.
Thanks, man.
All right. Yeah, dude. Fun.
go.
Good hang.
Yeah, dude.
We're leaving the island,
Leaving the island, man.
heading back to the big city. I'm clocking out. Well, clocking out.
out.
We're clocking in to a good time.
Yeah. We're going to the city to meet the ladies, stop in a place called Seaport, see some architecture over there. Should be sick. Got our boards always. Lady Liberty.
To like burn up the rust and stuff a little bit.
What are your initial thoughts on something we saw or did here that we can bring back to Arizona and it would work well?
I think, well, two things. I think that we have been tunnel vision on all the material that's just available in Phoenix and that everybody already uses in Phoenix. I mean, there's tons of the different types of concrete pavers and natural stone, and all that stuff is at your disposal. You just have to know where to find it and who to get it from. So I think I want to bring different materials back and everybody does flat turf. Like you're always thinking about turf being flat. And I like the idea of
that metal head.
yeah, just being able to use it more where people can lean up against it or sit on it and you can still grow, you know, stuff around it. And I thought the craziest thing, it wasn't even about landscaping really, but he was like, make sure your fingernails are cut. Because when you're in there with the housewife or whoever your client is, pointing at plans, pointing at samples, pointing at drawings, they're judging you. He's like, they're gonna judge you based off of your fingernails. That's how women are, dude. Yeah. Yes, dude. Girls, think about it. Think about it. Do you judge people by their fingernails? And guys, I guarantee your wife judges. So now I'm always gonna cut my fingernails, make sure they're pristine. I might go get a manicure. Hell, I don't know if I'll go that far.